Carol, happy birthday. Nandito kami dalawa ni Lolo Saldi, ni Papang Saldi sa Talipapa. Magulo pa itong bahay namin dahil katatapos lang ng baha. O, sana mas maraming birthday ka pang abutin. Happy birthday sa iyo at enjoy sa inyong sa inyong party. Oh, eto si Lolo Saldi.
Carol, happy birthday!
Oh, nanusobyan mo. Oh, sige, enjoy ka lang. Happy birthday uli. Oh, God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol! We wish you good health and God bless! We love you!
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Enjoy your day and God bless po.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. More birthdays to come and mag-ingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Hi, Carol! Happy birthday! Wishing you more joy, peace, love, happiness, and good health always. May the Lord, our God, grant the desires of your heart. And from all of us, Ariel,
Happy birthday!
Lizette, happy birthday! Ninang, Lexine, happy birthday to you. And me, the Ariel Garcia family, we wish you happy birthday!
Hi everyone! Happy birthday, Tita Carol!
Hi Carol, we wish you a very happy birthday on your special day. On behalf of Layog and Kuscha family, we wish you all the best.
God bless! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Adi. More blessings to come. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tita. Happy birthday, Adi. May God shower you with good health, happiness, and more blessings. God bless. Happy 60th birthday, Carol. And more birthdays to come. Wish you good health always.
Happy birthday, Lola Carol, and God bless always.
All the way from UAE with love, happy 60th birthday, Tita Carol.
Happy 60th birthday, Tita.
God bless always, Tita. Love you and we miss you all.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Happy 60th birthday. Senior ka na. May discount ka na. May discount card ka na. Anong wish natin kay Tita Carol? Kay Mami Carol, Anya?
Ako, good health.
Good health. O, hindi magkasakit si Tita Carol. Healthy always. Ano pa? Ano pa? And manalo ng 1 million sa slot machine. Para kay Tito Johnny pala yun. Happy birthday! We love you! From Pasig City, Philippines!
Hi, Mommy Carol. Happy 60th birthday. I wish you good health and happy life.
Hello, Carol. In the spirit of praise and thanksgiving, I would like to join you and your family in thanking God for the wonderful gift of life for your 60th birthday. So may you have the happiest, the healthiest, and a grace-filled 60th birthday. And may God continue to bless you and your family. May God protect you and heal you and continue to shower all the wonderful blessings on your birthday. Again, God bless you and happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday.
Hi Carol, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Okay, God bless. Bye.
Hello from the Philippines. Hi, Maring Carol. We're glad that we're being part of your birthday celebration. Ako, si Joy, at si Boy Zamora would like to greet you a happy 60th birthday. We wish you all the best in life, good health, and more blessings to come. Kita-kits na lang tayo ulit once na magbakasyon ulit kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Again, happy birthday, enjoy your day, and God bless. Bye-bye!
To the beautiful,
Kindest,
Most generous.
Ever loyal.
Tita,
kumare,
Ninang.
BFF.
Happy birthday,
Ninang Carol.
We love you.
Happy birthday, Carol. Welcome to the club. We wish you all the best.
Happy birthday, Carol. Stay healthy and young.
Happy birthday, Carol. Enjoy your day. May you have more birthdays to come. May the Lord bless you with continuous good health and, of course, happiness, peace, at lahat ng good things. More to come. Happy birthday.
Hello, Carol. Happy birthday. Yeah, so officially member ka na ng Seniors Club. But yeah, susunod na kami in few months. So ingat lang dun sa sakit na senioritis, no? So but yeah, seriously, wishing you more birthdays to come, and yeah, God bless you. So yeah, basta remember this, you have a family here in the LA, so see you soon. Okay, happy birthday again.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita.
Wishing you good health.
Love and more birthdays to come.
We love you.
Love you. Love you po.
Bye-bye.
Hi, Carol! Hello from Australia. Happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the Seniors Club. We wish you good health and happiness. Sana marami ka pang birthdays na i-celebrate.
Hello, Carol. Happy birthday!
Kay Carol, good evening. Nandito kami ngayon sa Kapalong, and nabalitaan ko birthday mo pa ngayong Sabado. Hindi ka ba mangiimbita? No? And yung celebration mo sa birthday mo ngayong Sabado, palagay ko masaya dahil nandiyan sila, Lalubet. Halos kompleto ang pamilya ni Baby Long. Sana nandun din kami, pero imposible dahil malayo yan. So, happy birthday. Senior citizen ka na. Ano ba ang pakiramdam yan? At matanda ka na rin. So, siguro ngayong September magkita-kita tayo. At sa kasal ni Carla. Kumusta lang dyan, Johnny? Si Johnny, ilang taon na ba si Johnny? Siguro mga 62 na yan. No? And enjoy mo yung buhay mo at the age of 60. Matagal pa ang laban natin. Okay, happy birthday. God bless.
Hey, Tita Carol. Happy birthday. God bless. Good health and stay safe.
Happy birthday, Mami Carol.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mommy Carol.
We love you, Tita Carol.
Hello, Carol and Johnny. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Kaya pala, kaya kami nag-video sa'yo ay para batiin ka, Carol, sa iyong kaarawan. Sana maging masaya ka, maligaya, tsaka in good health. At sana, ito na yung umpisa ng iyong journey as senior citizen. Welcome to the club. Happy birthday. God bless. Love you.
Okay, Carol, good day. Sa inyo lahat.
especially sa'yo. Gusto namin August 8, birthday mo, no? Pero yung birthday mo na ito ay ito birthday mo. So, senior citizens na, welcome to the club. Diyan na natin nararamdaman ngayon yung mga maintenance. Dati yung malulit pa tayo, bata pa tayo, kain, tulog, enjoy our life. Pero ngayon, to live long life, kailangan natin pag-birthday. So, have a good day. Happy birthday sa iyo, Carol.
Happy birthday, Carol! Hintayin namin yung vlog mo, ha? See you in September!
Birthday, Tita Carol.
Happy birthday po, Lola Carol!
Stay healthy and God bless!
Happy birthday, Tita Carol!
I love you so much. I love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol. Wish you all the best. More birthdays to come. Thank you sa mga tulong na nabibigay sa amin at sa darating pa. See you soon, baby Carol. Ariston ka. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Carol.
Say happy
birthday, Tita Carol.
Happy birthday, Carol! Enjoy!
We love you.
Sana magustuhan mo ang performance namin!